y'all, we are Sean and Christina, and this is our therapy dog, Nash. We left our home in Nashville, Tennessee to travel the U.S. in an RV and shine a bright spotlight on the incredible work that therapy dogs do across our country.
Today is a big day.
Oh my gosh, I know. I'm so excited. I like that you caught me right in the middle of my makeup.
Yep, I figured I'd surprise you.
Yeah,
so people, the behind the scenes is really like, here it is.
Yeah, here it is.
Getting ready for the day.
It's not tiny, glamorous. Oh my gosh, though, I'm so excited. This is like the pinnacle capstone of what we're doing this weekend at Cabana Club. So Matt from Matt's RV Reviews set everything up, and he so generously got together with General RV. They're catering tonight, and we're just getting together to do a Paws For Love night at Cabana Club, and we're so excited. There's like 80 people that are here camping with us this weekend and camping with Matt. So we've been hanging out with them all weekend, and we get to finally meet everybody if we haven't met them today, and I am so excited. It's a little windy, so I'm kind of nervous about that. I think it's going to be a little chilly, but other than that, it's going to be an awesome event.
Well, we've got some last minute errands to run.
Yes.
So let's go knock that out. You get ready first.
Okay.
And then we'll hop in the truck because we have a little bit more to explain to everybody.
We have had a lot of new subscribers join us. So if you're new, thank you. We're so pumped that you're here. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, take a second, click subscribe, and turn your notifications on so that you can be notified of all the videos that we release when we release them. Now, if you don't know what we're doing on the Paws For Love Tour, we travel all across the country in our RV, and we do 3 things when we're in each city. First, we serve with Nash, so we'll go into fire stations, police stations, schools, anywhere that'll have us. And then we interview local therapy dogs in each community that we're in. We've released 1, and we have 3 more coming soon. So again, be sure to turn your notifications on so you know when those come out. You're gonna love them, and they're so encouraging. And then last but not least, we also do meetups, which is what we're doing tonight. So we get together with everybody, pups and just people, and we have a great time, whether that's sharing a meal or just hanging out. And we are so excited because it gives us a way to get to know people and get to share our story more.
Stay up all night, wait till the morning light. Do what we wanna do, not what they taught us to. Run till the sidewalk ends, dive till we got the bend. Do what we wanna do, I know we'll make it through. We got soul, we don't need them. Hearts of gold, need no reason. Run into the night, you and I. Take my hand, we'll keep dreaming. Drive all night, chase the feeling. All I need in life is you and I. 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 You and I.
How is it?
Very, very good. But I wish
I think you're literally the last to eat.
Isn't that always the case?
Yeah?
When you host an event or do a wedding, or you're the last to eat or you don't eat? I just want to eat.
What?
I just want to eat in peace. I feel like all women right now feel my pain, where you're just like, just let me eat.
So, we have the winners of tonight's giveaway. It's a solid step.
Ta-da!
So exciting.
And nothing like delivering it on the tailgate of our truck.
Yep. And they're up still having some fun. And we're surprising them and dropping it off at their rig.
Yeah,
So
I'm so excited.
pretty sweet. So let's put the camera down and get to work.
Okay, ready?
Take my hand, we'll keep dreaming.
That was a very long weekend.
It was so fun, but we are so old at heart and we love an early bedtime, and we went to bed.
I think the earliest was like, what, midnight?
Yeah,
Which is
it was
insane.
so late.
We're usually in bed at like 9:30.
Which has been the running joke the last few weeks, but here nor there.
Which, it was amazing though.
Mm-hmm.
All in all, we had such a great time. We got to spend time with some of the Lippert team. They actually came down, Mark and Michaela and Ryan, to spend time with us, which was so much fun. And we got to do some, what is it, putt-putting or mini golf?
Mini golf.
Whatever you call it.
We're not good at mini golf.
Yeah, we discovered a talent that we do not have, which is putt-putting. But it made for some pretty cool footage that you're watching right now. So we had an awesome time with these guys. Really appreciative that they came down to see us.
Yes.
And just overall, such a great weekend. We have 2 more things for you in this week's episode, so don't leave just yet. The first is we have another amazing Lippert product that we're installing on the RV, and this is called the Solid Step. And you may have noticed in the footage that you just watched, we actually gave one away at the event, and we're having one installed on our RV as well. And this product is so amazing because it adds some additional stability to the RV, because the bottom step actually touches the ground, whereas the stairs that we have right now don't touch the ground. And so it bounces a little bit, and it can just be kind of hazardous and dangerous. So we're really excited to get those off
Yes.
and get the new ones on.
Yes.
And I'm going to wake up and do that first thing tomorrow morning. And the second thing that you need to stick around for, which is one of the most favorite things we've been doing on this entire tour, is what we call Notes from Nash. And if you remember a couple episodes ago, which we'll link here, we took Nash to UT Austin, University of Texas at Austin, and we had those students write encouraging notes that he could deliver to the Baylor students up in Waco the next day. And we did that, had an awesome time, got some amazing conversations going with these students. And the Baylor students wrote notes for the USF students, University of South Florida, here in Tampa. So we're going to go deliver those as well. And they're going to be writing notes, which we're not going to spoil who those are for. You can watch it in the footage. But we hope you stick around and enjoy the notes from Nash. We're going to take these steps out, put the new ones in, and I don't think Nash is going to be much help today because he's just sitting there laying on his hammock. So let's get these knocked out because we're really excited to have these installed. There you go. Look, you don't even have to get a running sprint. That's perfect.
So we're at USF, and I have now made some new friends. Sammy, right? No, Becca and Sammy. And okay, so like I mentioned, we had students from Baylor write y'all notes. So this one is from Grace at Baylor, and this one is from Emily from Baylor.
Hi, I know we are reaching the middle of the semester and midterms, which can be stressful, but remember to take care of yourself and do things that bring you joy. Grace from Baylor.
Know that you are loved and that you matter. Keep working hard and remember to make time for yourself. Emily from Baylor, #Sickum. Love that.
So what we're doing is literally just encouraging y'all. There's so much going on, and you guys have had such a tough year, especially as you guys transitioned out of high school and got here. And we just want you guys to be encouraged. So we would love it if y'all could write to Georgia Southern students if you wouldn't mind.
Hi, I hope all of your classes are going well. I know this year has not been the easiest, but you've got this. Keep up the hard work. Summer is right around the corner.
Hi, with midterms just ending, know that you are amazing in everything you do. You are loved. Keep working hard and take some time on yourself for self-love. Love, Sammy from USF.
Remember, you are more than a grade. You're an awesome person. You can take on the world. Remember to take care of yourself mentally and physically. Sickum.
Hey you, I hope you're doing great. Don't forget to smile and to count the blessings. I'm so proud of you. Remember that it's okay to rest and that you are wonderfully made. Love and blessings, Brianna at Baylor.
Awesome.
Hello friend, I just wanted you to know that while COVID may suck, you do not. Sending you love and well wishes from the warm state of Texas. Yeehaw. Forza.
Hi, I hope you are having the greatest day because you deserve it. You are so loved. Love, Faith at Baylor.
Hi friend, today is such an amazing day to connect with a new person. Be happy and stay safe. I believe in you. Love, Anaya from Baylor University.
Hello, I hope all is well. Push through the semester. I know it gets tough. Remember, the Lord does not give us problems we cannot handle, and it allows us to grow and be stronger. Love from Baylor, Jackie.
Hey, I hope you're doing well this semester. I know school can be hard, but don't forget your purpose. I believe in you and I'm rooting for you. Zach, Baylor University.
You keep doing you and keep being awesome. Love, Wade from USF.
There we go. Thanks, Wade.
Hello, I hope you're having a wonderful day. You're loved more than you could ever know. Have a blessed day. Connor, University of South Florida.
Hey friend, don't forget you are loved. Go Bulls. Jack.
Hey from USF, I hope everything is going great. If not, it will certainly get better. No matter how hard it seems, times will improve. You are incredible. Go Bulls, Will.
Hi friend, even though life can be stressful, remember to smile. Everything happens for a reason and will work itself out. Horns up, Robbie.
Hey there, I hope everything is going great. I know school can be stressful, but remember you are worth more than a grade. Hang in there, you got this.
Hi there, you're doing awesome and I'm so proud of you. Keep up the hard work and I know you're gonna go so far in life. With love, Maya.
Good job, everybody. Good job.
Looking good.